I love the rust. That was interesting. You gotta love all that rust. Everything was bent trying to get the bolts loose. Now it's all square. This is all squished inside. It's all square again. And here's all the carnage. See all that rust from the previous one. That's crazy. There's a bolt in there somewhere. There it is. Yeah, and check this out. This, I don't know what in the world this is. Looks like a bottle of, like someone's moonshining or something. To get the thing out of there. Crazy. Let's see what we got here. It's better than it was. My ratty Mopar. Oh, here it is. It's right there. Very nice. Still needs adjusted, but it's on. Yeah, this thing's all flaking like crazy. But hey, for $100, definitely better than what I had. I got the back one on too. The kids did a good job, gave them a sense of pride. I got the Wayne. He said, yeah, make sure you don't close it because your latch, or do you have the key for your trunk? And I'm like, no. And he goes, don't close it because that way you can't. And I'm like, oh, thank you for the reminder. So he took it out, the lock, and I So you just use a screw. This trunk lid here, it got smacked right there, but that could be then over here. This is the hood that came off the car. At least the trunk and the bad shape. So it will probably be wall art unless anybody wants it. And this is called a hood. It can be fixed if you're good with metal or a bonnet.